in both streams. Thank you. Hello? They didn't answer, bro. Fake as fuck. Oh, I added the wrong. Oh shit, it's the same person. Oh my god. Can any of the goats wait, stop, not me, pre. Wait. Fuck. Who the fuck's trying to get in this bitch? Man, who the fuck did I just add? Oh fuck. Uh-oh. I'm about to get banned. Oh shit. I'm about to get banned. Oh my god. Fuck. Who the fuck? Thug Shaker! Thug Shaker! What's a Thug Shaker? Young Lean want to talk? Where? Where's Young Lean? Thug Hunters? What is that? Do the Thug Shaker. Yo, what's the Thug Shaker?
What?
Hello?
Hello?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Uh-uh.
Then how'd you answer?
I don't know. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Wait, Hoover's here? No, he's not. Hoover, are you here? Wait. Are you here? Please tell me you're here. Hoover! Join! How do I join? I mean, how do I invite you? Oh my, wait, Hoover, I'm trying to see the Thug Shaker. Wait. How? I'm here? How the fuck do I add it? Larry Gamer Game? What are you talking about? What do you mean gimme? Yo, somebody join. I just invited somebody. Wait, what is this? What the fuck? What the fuck? I put a cat on my screen. How do I... Bro, nobody's joining that I'm trying to... What the fuck? All right. I invited. Dumb stinker, don't look at the Thug Shaker. What is a Thug Shaker? What is that? I'm gonna look it up. Yo.
Hello?
Yo! What's up, baby?
Hey.
Not chilling. Much just chilling.
What's the
I'm
Thug
in bed
Shaker?
right now, man.
What's the Thug Shaker?
What? I don't know. I'll
Shake?
take some.
The three-way.
Take something online.
Hey!
BigT!
In New York.
Looking for
Hey,
He found the right
We got
one.
the three of us.
Three mus-
Yo, what's the Thug
Tears.
Shaker?
I
What's
got
the
three
Thug
of us.
Shaker?
Like, turn my lights on.
What is that?
What's Thug Shaker?
What's the Thug Shaker?
I don't know.
I don't know, but
Oh my god!
all three of
If I
us-
was showing this on stream, I would have been banned. Actually, I would have been banned.
oh my god! I told you not to. I told you not to look at Thug Shaker.
Oh my god! Wait, can you hear it? Oh no, you cannot. No way. No way. I'm playing this live.
Hoover, what if I peeled your skin off and ate it?
I wouldn't mind that. I actually want to, I want to, pull your hair out and, wear it like a wig.
Oh, that's cute. I'm just.
What your
I'm
boys
just
up to
live.
tonight? Know me. I'm building a chair right now. I got my tool.
Ooh, you got that thing on you. Okay.
I got that.
Ooh, you got that SpongeBob here,
That boy got
damn.
bikini bottom, brother. Yo, baby witch boy. Sorry, yo. I'm hallucinating. I'm actually psychedelic.
Going for the kiss.
Hoover, if you saw 12 aliens, who would you shoot?
I'm chopping
Shooting all of them in the head, dead.
What the fuck? Do a talent show.
Shoot out taxidermies,
If I
aliens.
do a talent show, someone's gonna show their Something bad.
Wait,
Yeah. What the fuck? No. Oh wait, he looks like that. Wait, why are you perfect?
Oh.
wait, I'm like the TikTok live.
Hey.
I
Look,
was
it's
beat
me.
up.
I'm your uncle.
Hi, Uncle Seamus. Okay, hey, don't talk to me.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
Oh, sorry.
Ah!
Oh, I don't want to talk to Uncle Seamus.
Ah! What
Hey.
the fuck?
It's me, Tony
You
Soprano.
best friends, bro?
Hey.
Where do you know me from?
Gabagool.
Do y'all like the stash?
Hey. Ew.
Wait, do I look like you?
Whoa. So
you don't
gross.
like mines?
Ooh, BigT's in the take on me. Take on me.
In a day or two. I'm Paul McCartney.
What else is there?
I know. Oh my god!
Yo, BigT, I'm also in the music video.
Hold on, wait.
Dude, yo, I'm
Look at
in
my
the club
clip
right now.
Oh! Why me? Bro. Can y'all say tank?
Hey.
Oh my god, can you be the final piece of my puzzle?
What the fuck is happening? What is happening?
Dude, should I get
Wait, go bald.
a
Go
haircut?
bald
no,
for me.
no. If you go bald, I go bald. If you go bald, I go bald.
Wait,
Who the fuck?
wait, what's the gibberish?
How do I mute this? How do I mute? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening?
Wait, which Disney are you?
Wait,
I think I'm
How
alive.
do I do it?
No.
wait, which one am I?
I'm Genie.
Ew! Get out of here!
Ew! It's scary.
There we go. I turned my filters off.
Where do I get all the funny ones? This is.
I think I already had these saved. That was the thing.
You're gross, Larry. Your ass.
What is happening, dude? This is so. This is like taking everything.
This was my
What
favorite
else on
one.
this Tug Shaker on my screen?
Get Thug Shaker
I
out
see
of here.
Big ass on my screen.
Yo, you should
For
shake
real?
some ass on live.
do it
I
right-
mean, what are you doing?
Right now.
Yeah. Please, please.
Are you shaking?
Oh, oh, that smells so good. He's clapping with no hands.
Watch this.
Crazy. Ooh. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Let me smack that. Let me smack that. Let me get a piece.
Like that?
Let me get a piece.
What are you doing,
Hey.
bro? How are you clapping?
Oh, I love that.
I was clapping my
I love
little
that.
butt cheek.
He
Hey,
said,
look at
look,
me."
man, no hands. Hey, dude. Dude, what the? You're gonna get banned. That was insane. That was crazy.
What is that filter?
Dude, you can't be doing that.
Why are you wide? What are you?
Oh my lord.
Wait, Larry.
Oh my god.
Larry, look at me. You gotta do it like this. You gotta.
No! No! Ew! 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 Dude, what the hell?
Oh my god.
Dude,
Man,
you
you just got banned on like,
can't.
Instagram.
I got banned on Twitter and Instagram.
No, dude, I just got like fucking
I
like
got
shadow
banned on
banned.
both. Shaking and clapping it real good. What are you talking about? I got a pimp in my step.
running away. Hello.
What? Good night.
Wait, Big T said, wait.
No way.
Did
I
his
didn't
ass
do
get
anything.
kicked out of here?
Swear to God. I swear to
What
God.
the hell?
Oh my God! You got it!
I have to filter
Hoover,
too.
can I be honest with you? Can I be real? Can I be like super real in front of like all these people? Can I be super
real,
real in front of all these
Be
people?
real.
Yeah, but this might make
Be
you
real as you
cry
want, man.
though.
If it
I don't
makes me
wanna-
cry, makes me cry. I want you to speak
Okay,
your
all right.
truth.
I'm about to be real in front of everybody. I didn't pick up the popsicles. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't stop. Hoover, stop. Tomorrow. I forgot. I swear to God, I forgot. I'm so sorry. It was Super Bowl. Super Bowl.
If they're not there,
No.
the
Hoover.
popsicles are
Tomorrow.
there
The popsicles.
tomorrow. What
The
if they're not
popsicles.
there
I swear to God, Hoover. I promise you. I'm so sorry.
They
No.
might
I'm
have
so
been
sorry.
stolen. What if they
Tomorrow.
got stolen?
No, tomorrow. I swear tomorrow. Stop!
Okay, I'm done crying.
Thanks.
Dude, I really wonder if
They're
they'll
probably
actually still
melted.
be there. I don't even know.
It was so hot today.
Dude, no, that's the thing is they're not even melted. They're like, the thing is you're supposed to put them in the freezer.
My
You're
shadow
supposed
was
to put
the
them in the
wrong person
freezer,
today.
freeze them.
It was
So
so
they're just
hot.
like
It
liquid.
was actually hot today. Larry, I farted while you were alive. What the fuck? Let me smell it.
What the hell? Do it squirt? Are you on the squirt
Whoa.
squad or
Okay,
just cream
squirt
team?
squad or cream team? I think I'm in the cream team.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I feel that. You know, cream team like
Word.
This, I don't know. This is better. You for
I'm
real?
also on the cream team, so I respect that.
All right. No,
Yeah. I would cream right now live,
yeah.
but like I just
16
can't.
months. Oh my God.
Dude, why is Big T
You were
like
kicked
kicked
out of
out
the
and
cream
like banned
team?
off the internet? No, I wasn't kicked out of the
Cream
cream team. Big T
team
was
doesn't
kicked out of
like
the cream
Tanner for
team.
some reason.
Do you just see his like? Do you still
Yeah.
see his like little thing on the right, on the left?
Yeah, he's on your yeah.
Damn. Shit's crazy.
Wait, look at me. Look at me. I have a story.
Ooh, that's cute. What's your story to tell?
I'm gay. Oh, what do you mean? Wait, no. Wait, he left. Wait. What?